Under the deal, all the new irregular migrants crossing from Turkey into Greece from March 20th will be sent back. And for each Syrian returned to Turkey, a Syrian migrant will be resettled in the EU. In return, Turkish nationals should have access to the passport-free Schengen area by June. The European Union also promised to speed up the allocation of $3.3 billion to Turkey to help migrants. Both sides have also agreed to re-energise Turkey's bid to join the European bloc, with talks due by July.